Apostrophes, possess, apostrophes, omit, apostrophes, possess, apostrophes, omit, omission, possession.
Good morning, Year 6. Today we're going to be looking at apostrophes and looking at how they're used to show possession. I hope you're well and I hope you're keeping safe and you're ready for your learning. So an apostrophe is the punctuation shown on screen. A quick reminder. But when do we use an apostrophe? Well, there's two main reasons why we use an apostrophe. The first is to show omission, to show that there are some letters in the word that are missing. So didn't could be did not, but instead when we join it together and make it didn't, that contraction we use an apostrophe to show that the O is missing. Today, however, we're going to be focusing on apostrophes that are used to show possession. So if we're talking about Jane's hat, we need the apostrophe before the S to show that the hat belongs to Jane. When an apostrophe is used for possession, its position depends on whether the noun is singular, meaning there's only one, or plural, meaning more than one. If the noun is singular, then the apostrophe is placed before the S. But if the noun is a regular plural, then the apostrophe is placed after the S. Singular means one, and plural means more than one. So singular door, plural doors. Singular boy, plural boys, and so on. But you'll notice here that child, the plural for child is not childs, it's children. So just bear that in mind when you are adding your apostrophe. For children, the apostrophe will go after the N in children's because, as you can see here, it's a the word itself is plural. Wolf, when you are changing wolf into plural, bear in mind that you get rid of the F and you change it to a V and then you add ES. So wolf becomes wolves when it's plural. If we are then using our apostrophes to show possession, for the school's head teacher, if we were talking about our school and our head teacher, then we just need to put the apostrophe before the S. But if we're talking about all the schools in Harrow and the school's head teachers, then we need to make sure that the apostrophe goes after the S there. You'll see an example here with child's family. Because children is the plural, we put children's family and then we put the apostrophe before the S. So that's the one to watch out for, because it's an irregular plural. So tips to be successful with apostrophes. So if you have a look at the context of the sentence to help you decide whether you're referring to one or many, then it'll be easier for you to spot. So there will be other clues in the sentence to help you. If not the sentence and you're reading a story, then you have to look at the context of the story. Ella left her sister's bedroom after deciding that they were too noisy to play with. Can you spot the word that tells us that we're talking about more than one sister? Excellent, it's they. So the apostrophe goes after the S. The girls' ties were too short. Which word here tells us we're talking about more than one girl? Excellent, were. The girls' ties were too short. So therefore our apostrophe goes after the S. If it was one girl and one tie, we'd say the girl's tie was too short. But instead, because we're talking about more than one, we say were. So that's our clue. Now we're going to have a go at completing the sentences by changing the singular noun into a plural possessive noun. Make sure you place the possessive apostrophe in the correct place. So if we'll do the first one together. The dragon's roars filled the air as they all flew through the sky. Now it says they, so we know we're talking about more than one dragon. So therefore we need to change it to a plural, dragons. And our apostrophe goes after the S because the roars belong to all of the dragons. So we'd write that, dragons, apostrophe after the S. Now pause the video here and complete the rest shown on screen. Excellent. How well did you do? The tricky one there is numbers 1 to 5 should be quite easy to spot, writing the word as plural and adding our apostrophe at the end. Whereas number 6 and number 9 are a bit trickier. Because children is the plural, an irregular plural, we need to remember that one we need to add an apostrophe before the S. Sheep is the plural of sheep. So again, the apostrophe goes before the S as opposed to after the S. It's an irregular plural. Now have a go at completing the task shown on screen, which you'll find in your pack. If you weren't given a pack, or you're off when the packs were given out, then do go to our school website and go to online learning, and you'll find it in there. You can also go to the YouTube link shown on screen for more learning on singular and plural possessive. Have a good day. Keep safe.